Your storefront is built and your journey is ready. The last step is going live, putting it under your own brand and switching it on for customers. By default, your storefront runs on a PeakCommerce address. To serve it under your own brand, open Settings, then Domains. Add a custom domain, the web address your customers will actually visit when they come to buy. Enter your hostname and tell PeakCommerce what it serves. For a storefront customers buy from, that's your storefront experience. Register it and follow the quick prompt to verify, a DNS record that proves the domain is yours. That's what puts your brand on the address bar. One last check. Make sure your journey is set to active with its pages published. That's the switch that takes your storefront live. Billing connected, catalog synced, storefront published, domain mapped, journey active. That's your launch checklist. You're live, your catalog, under your own brand, selling to your customers. Welcome to PeakCommerce.